So, first we will write the number 5 in the center of the page. Then, we will leave some space for the fins and draw a straight line pointing downwards. Connect the lower jaw with the end. Now draw a pointy scary fin on top. Then, draw a C-shaped tail. I am now drawing its pointy sharp teeth that can tear everything and everyone apart. Then draw its eyes. Let's draw its gill slits. Draw its lower fin on its belly. I am writing a scary line because it's a shark. Our shark is ready. Let's color the shark with gray. First, I will outline it with gray marker and then fill in colors with gray pencil colors.
I hope you liked my drawing. If yes, please hit the like button. And in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to enjoy more such videos. Leaving you with a smile until next time.